Hello and welcome to the second Python coding challenge. As I'm sure you can see, we can write the number 1,000,000 either with or without commas separating the zeros. As I'm sure you all agree, it is much easier to read the number on the right. So this is your challenge for today. Write a function which takes an integer number as an input and returns a string containing the number formatted with commas as you see on the right. For those of you who complete this task quickly, here's a more difficult option. What if the input of the function were a float instead of an integer? Good luck in trying to solve this challenge. The solution will be released in 1 week, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. If you need some hints, make sure to check out my Python tutorial series by clicking on the box in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can find a link to it in the video description. I look forward to seeing you next week for the solution to this coding challenge. And in the meantime, happy coding!